Good morning everyone. Welcome to English class. Today's class we are starting a new lesson. What is the name of the lesson? Mohandas. Once there lived a boy called Mohandas. He was born on October 2nd. What is his father's name? Karamchand. What is his mother's name? Putlibai. He was born in Gujarat. Okay. What happened in his childhood? He listened one story. In our villages, they used to play dramas, no? In olden days, they used to play dramas and skits in the villages. In that skit, he saw one skit. That character impressed very much. What is the character? King Harishchandra. From that character, he have learned a very good lesson. What is that? Always speak truth. Okay? So from that day, he was implementing that. That left very good impression on him. He is not telling any lies to anybody. Okay? He is always speaking only truth. So what happened one day? In their school, they have some sports competition. So you all like sports, no? Mohandas also like sports. So he just wanted to participate in that and get the first prize. On the other day, what happened? He went to school little bit late. And when he reached the school, no games, all the games are over. So he was surprised why the games are over and he asked the headmaster. So what headmaster replied? You came late to the school, that's why already we have completed all the competitions. What the reason told Mohandas? What is the reason he told to headmaster? He told that my father is not feeling well, so I was at home nursing my father, looking after my father. So I don't have any watch with me, so I don't know the time. I reached the school little bit late. But headmaster did not heard his words. He felt that he is telling lies and he punished Mohandas. But Mohandas no, he is telling the truth. He was crying full day and he felt very bad. I told only truth. Why they are not believing that? Next day, headmaster got to know the truth. He felt very sorry for the child and said, you are very good boy, always speak truth only. Who is that boy? Tell me. Mohandas. He is father of our nation. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We call him as Gandhi Tata, Gandhi Ji. Okay? So he fought for the freedom of our country. When we got independence? On August 15, 1947. We celebrate every year, no, Independence Day. Because of him, we are celebrating our Independence Day. So, how such a great personality? He is not at all speaking any lies. He is always speaking truth only. What lesson we have to learn from him? Always speak truth. Don't tell lies. Got it? This is the lesson. We have some words from the board. Look here. Mohandas. Mohandas. What is the full name of Gandhiji? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Okay. Karamchand is his father's name. K-A-R-A-M. Karam. C-H-A-M-D. Chand. Karamchand. Putlibai is his mother's name. P-U-T-L-I. Putli. B-A-I-Bai. Putlibai. Impression. I-M-P-R-E-S-S-I-O-N. Impression. Usual. U-S-U-A-L. Usual. Ache. A-C-H-E-D. Ache. Ache means pain. Headmaster, headmaster. Careful, Careful, careful. Believe, believe. Punish, Punish, punish. Drama, drama. These are the words. Now we'll read the lesson. Mohandas. Mohandas was born in Porbandar in Gujarat on 2nd of October 1869. His father was Karamchand and his mother was Putlibai. When Mohandas was a young boy, he saw a drama called Harishchandra. King Harishchandra's strong character and truthfulness left a deep impression on young Mohandas' mind. That day he vowed to speak only the truth always. Mohandas studied in a school in Porbandar. One Monday, as usual, he went to school in the morning. The headmaster called Mohandas to his office room. Headmaster: Mohandas, did you come for the games on Saturday? Mohandas: Yes sir, I did come, but I was a bit late. Headmaster: You are telling a lie. Mohandas: No sir, I am not telling a lie. My father was very ill. He is still in bed. I nursed my father. I did not know the time as I had no watch. When I came to school, there was no one in the playground. Headmaster: I don't believe you. The headmaster was very angry. He punished the boy. Mohandas was helpless. He spoke the truth, but the headmaster did not believe him. Mohandas felt sad. His heart ached. He wept bitterly. The next day, the headmaster came to know the truth. He sent for Mohandas and said, I am sorry, Mohandas, you are a good boy. You did not tell a lie yesterday, but be careful and come to school in time. Thank you, sir, said Mohandas. He learnt a lesson that day. He was never late to school after that. Do you know who is this good boy was? He was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We call him Mahatma Gandhi. He is father of our nation. We celebrate our Independence Day on the 15th of August. We should remember that it was due to the endless struggle of many great people that we got our freedom on the 15th of August 1947. Gandhiji was the leader of the freedom movement. He was shot dead on the 30th of January 1948. Mahatma Gandhi will always be remembered by everyone. So what lesson we have learned from this lesson? Always be truthful and always be on time. Maintain good timings. We can learn so many good things from great people. Okay? Try to read other stories of great leaders also. Thank you. Welcome to maths class. We are doing multiplications now. For doing multiplication, what we need to know? We need to know tables. Till 6 we have learned tables. From 7 we are learning today. Okay? Repeat after me. 7 1 7. 7 2s 14. 7 3s 21. 7 4s 28. 7 5s 35. 7 6 42. 7 7s 49. 7 8 56. 7 9 63. 7 10s 70. 8 1s 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. Are you all practicing in middle? 8 fours are how much? 8 sevens are how much? Like that you have to practice. Ask your parents to ask you in middle. In a line, in a sequence you are telling, but for doing multiplication we have to know in middle also. 9 fours are how much? 5 sevens are how much? Like if you have any brothers or sisters, ask your brother or sister and play with them. Okay? So that you will learn tables easily and we can do multiplication easily. Okay? Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Hindi class. Today we are going to learn U ki matra. Using U ki matra sentences. Okay, look here. Are you practicing how to read these lines? Okay, good. Now you have to practice U ki matra sentences. First one, khoob. Kha, badi U ki matra, ba. Khoob. Pani barsa. Khoob pani barsa. Means it is raining heavily. Okay. Now next one, Ritu. Ra, badi I ki matra. This is badi I ki matra. Ta and badi U ki matra. Ritu Julie. Ritu Julie. She is playing on the swing. Okay. Now next one, Ramu Kalu ka haath pakad. Ramu Kalu ka haath pakad means while playing, while crossing the road, you have to catch your elder's hand. Okay. Next one, Alu Mooli Tata Amrut Kha. Alu Mooli. Alu means potato. Mooli means radish. Alu Mooli Tata Amrut Kha. You have to eat all types of vegetables. Okay. Now next one, Alu ka saag. Puri kha. Alu ka saag means mummy is preparing aloo, potato curry. Eat with puri. You all like puris now? Okay, have it. Alu ka saag, puri kha. Once again repeat children. Khoob pani barsa. Ritu Julie. Ramu Kalu ka haath pakad. Alu Mooli तथा अमृत खा. आलू का साग पूरी खा. Okay, write these sentences in your notebook 2 times. Okay.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Telugu class. మనం ఈ రోజు క్లాస్ లో తప్పు ఒప్పు. తప్పు అంటే క్రాస్, ఒప్పు అంటే టిక్ మార్క్ చేయాలన్నమాట. వీటి గురించి మనము తప్ప ఒప్ప అనేది మీకు చెప్తాను. అయితే ముందుగా మనము ఇది అసలు ఏ లెసను? ఈ కథను చదువుదామా అనే లెసన్ కదా, మీకు గుర్తుందా? క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ చదువుకున్నాము. ఇంకా ఏం నేర్చుకున్నాం? లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో వచనాలు నేర్చుకున్నాము. ఖాళీలను పూరించండి అన్ని అయిపోయినాయి. ఇంకొక ఇదొక్కటే లాస్ట్ బిట్ అన్నమాట. స్టోరీ బాగా చదువుతున్నారా? ఓకే, మీరు స్టోరీ కనుక బాగా చదివినట్లయితే ఇవి కరెక్టా రాంగా అనేది మీరు చెప్తారు ఇప్పుడు. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, స్టార్ట్. ఫస్ట్ వన్, చాకలివాడు చేపలు పట్టేవాడు. చాకలివాడు ఏం చేస్తాడు? చాకలివాడు బట్టలు ఉతుకుతాడు కదా. మరి చేపలు పట్టేవాడు, చేపలు పట్టేవాడా? మరి ఇది కరెక్టా రాంగా? తప్పా ఒప్పా? తప్పు. చాకలివాడు చేపలు పట్టేవాడు, తప్పు. చూడండి, ఈ బ్రాకెట్ లో క్రాస్ మార్క్ పెట్టాలి. ఓకేనా? నా నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఈ కథను చదువుదామా అనేది ఒక నీతి కథ. అవునా కాదా? ఈ కథను చదువుదామా అనేది ఒక నీతి కథ. మరి ఇందులో నీతి ఏంటో మీకు అర్థమైందా? ఇది నీతి కథే కదా? ఎస్, కరెక్ట్. చూడండి, కరెక్ట్ అయితే ఒప్పు, టిక్ మార్క్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, చాకలి వాడు నిద్రపోలేదు. చాకలి వాడు నిద్రపోలేదా? నిద్రపోతున్నాడు కాబట్టే గట్టి గట్టిగా అరుస్తుంటే కోపం వచ్చి కర్ర తీసుకొని వచ్చి నా గాడిదను కొట్టాడు కదా. మరి నిద్రపోలేదు అని ఇచ్చారు. మరి తప్ప ఒప్ప? తప్పు. బ్రాకెట్ లో క్రాస్ మార్క్ పెట్టాలి. ఓకేనా? రిపీట్ చిల్డ్రన్. చాకలి వాడు చేపలు పట్టేవాడు. తప్పు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఈ కథను చదువుదామా అనేది ఒక నీతి కథ. కరెక్ట్. ఒప్పు. చాకలి వాడు నిద్రపోలేదు. తప్పు. చూడండి, మీరు కనుక లెసన్ రీడింగ్ బాగా నేర్చుకున్నట్లయితే మనం బాగా చక్కగా అర్థం చేసుకొని కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్ పెడతాము. ఓకేనా? ప్రాక్టీస్ ఫర్ చిల్డ్రన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.